The oh, I keep forgetting words. What happened with my brain?
Yeah, yeah. I just forgot to record.
Yeah, and I learned how to draw flowers, but not really because I have my own idea and it would just break up, and then my drawing is not good.
Can you tell us if someone draws more better than you?
Huh? Wait, what? What did you say?
Someone draws more better than you.
Yeah, if they drawing better, I'll give a lot of stars and A plus plus or 100 plus plus maybe.
You have to try. You have to practice to make it great.
Yeah. Yeah, but I want to give them a 100 plus plus.
Why does my shape always pops?
Wait, wait, what? What did you say to your shapes?
When I cut the shape, they always pop.
Should I call you darling or friend? I don't know what to tell you.
Back.
Okay, remember about the Erin movie just now we watched. Okay, don't stop.
I'm already cutting the shapes.
Yeah, don't give up and always like do your best.
Chop chop.
Be a
Time is
hard
ticking.
worker.
Time is ticking.
Well, last time I did some crafting and because I made things with the plastic. That is why I love to do things.
All right, I think I'm done and I'm going to rearrange again this one on my new paper. Let's start to draw to create something collage art with a new paper. Remember that the collage art made from, start with the colors or to glue. It
My
means
hands are tired.
cut and glue.
Well, now.
Right.
Later.
Pay attention, okay? I want you to pay attention that
To cut the circle.
when you work with this, I don't want to see somebody copying somebody's idea. You have to be original. You have to be authentic. You have to have your own idea about your arrangement and about your drawing later on.
Well, I know everyone is good at drawing kitty cats, but I don't copy them. I only do mine. A kitty on a ball.
What?
Yeah, you have to be proud of your own ideas, all right?
I'm not too proud.
Okay, you need some glue. Do you have any glue?
I already prepared my glue.
Okay, cool.
It's Kakura.
Okay, Mr. I will start to gluing my shapes, my best.
Okay, my hands are.
I remember tired. I remember a soup, a rainbow soup. Magical.
This hand is tired.
Wait, who did farted? I heard a farting. A farting.
It farts.
It wasn't me. It wasn't you. It wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't Mr. Alden. Maybe it's my grandma or grandpa. I don't know.
What? Somebody popping?
Oh my. Ah! Okay, I'm almost finished cutting. I have to more.
I'm cutting. Now I just need to put this here.
Okay, after you're done cutting, you have to stick it.
Okay. Cut the circles carefully. Oh, my hand is so tired of cutting slowly.
You can take a rest.
Don't
It
give
will take
up.
time to.
You can take a rest just a while and you can continue again.
Fine.
Then
All I want is my hands to be big.
oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This fish is
My first grape as green. Grapes can be green, Ifo. You know?
you know,
Grapes can be green.
it
Mr.
can
Al,
be any colors.
right, Mr. Al? Wait,
Yeah.
it can,
Yes, Ruth.
not colorful. That's called magical.
I'm gonna make like eyes with the circle.
Cut it here, cut it there, divided by a hamster ball.
What?
And that's the point.
I'm gonna make the stretching square above above the circles. A very stretching square use. Put the triangle above the long square.
Okay.
I don't
One triangle just came out and I'm gonna turn it around like this. It's now like this. Okay, chop chop. Everyone be quick. Time is ticking.
Be quick, please, everybody. Time is ticking. Okay, while you guys are doing your job to cut and stick it, I'm going to entertain you with the song.
square on top of the triangle.
My tummy hurts.
Yeah, I'm going to sing Into the Unknown song, yeah? From
Well, I don't like squid. I don't. What is it called? Why do I always forget?
Into
Yeah.
the Unknown.
Get out.
I made it like this.
Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
To the end. No.
Into the unknown.
Wait, your video is off. Your video is off. Blah 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 blah.
It's because
Your video is off. Can I see your paper? I don't know.
Okay, I want you to rearrange it again one more time like this.
Pencils.
Okay, put some space. Put some space. We're going to redraw again.
Where's the paper?
Yeah. I want you guys to modify this shape into something new. All right? Modify this every single basic shape with something new. You have to get something new.
No.
Oh, it's like my blue.
Okay, I want to test who are the smartest one. And be careful, you cannot copy your friend. If, for example, I draw this one as a hot air balloons later on, you cannot follow me. You have to,
I will not follow them.
you have to search with your own original ideas. Yeah. Okay, let's start.
I wish your camera will turn off so I can concentrate and not copy your things.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Yay.
All right. I'm going to start. Yeah. This rectangle. I'm going to make it as a what? Yeah. Sorry. Oh, I have some idea.
You need some idea.
Is it okay if my shape is like this?
Okay, maybe I should draw This.
Mr. Ang,
Yeah.
is it okay if my shape is like this?
Yeah, it's okay.
This.
People already create some object here.
Okay. I wanted to stick together. I wish I could like me and Nico.
Okay then. Okay, for example, I modified this rectangle into a flashlight. Okay, what is inside your mind? Now you have to modify every single shape into something new. Okay, are you ready, Alithia? Do you have any idea how to change the rectangle, the triangle into something new?
Mr. Ang,
Ano?
can you keep on showing your picture?
I don't know how to do it because I don't know what is. You're so good at drawing with. I don't know what is your picture. What is your picture?
My picture? This one.
Yeah, but I do want to copy you, but I just can't think it. I just want to copy it, but I can't think it. I don't want to copy
The little,
Okay, remember, you want to be Kelly or you want to be Ariel? Yeah?
Aaron. Aaron.
Erin is always hard workers, always be creative, always encouraging, and don't give up. Come on.
Is that a bed you draw?
What?
Is that a bed you draw next to the circle?
This one?
Yes. What is that?
It's a flashlight.
Oh, a flashlight.
Yeah, this one is a power button. Like that, and then the
can I arrange mine?
what
I
can you
want.
make with the triangle? I mean rectangle. Ruth, do you have any idea how to make something with the wow?
I'm gonna make a square with the lights.
Okay. After this, you have to explain one by one, yeah? Okay, for this one, I think I want to create something. Oh, this is good.
Triangle. Oh, there it is. It was under my paper.
You know what is this?
What's that?
It's a moon.
What?
You made the brown thing the cookie.
This one is like a cookie, yeah? Okay, what is it?
I'm gonna make a cookie.
Okay, this will
And pizza.
Cookie is round, right? Like a circle.
yeah, I want to turn this square to what? Yeah, wait. I think I want to change.
Cookie, a moon. Wait. I don't want to copy that. Or maybe I could do a door. Maybe.
Maybe you should think of something very nice.
Oh, I don't know what shall I do now.
I already know what is very nice for me.
Cookie and pizza. Yay! Is that one?
Yeah.
Wow, pizza is a good idea. Good job. Okay, I'm going to make something else.
I'm gonna make a hotel with the I don't know what it is. And I'm gonna make a hotel.
Yeah, hotel. Hotel is a good idea.
So sticky, right?
Come on, think, be creative. I think this one is the.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to.
You should write it above cookie and pizza.
I draw another square. I draw 3 squares and a half.
What?
Yeah, I know, right? Wait, what? Wow! A booty boot. How can you draw to upper side?
Why did I hold on a minute?
I draw 1, 2, 3, 4. I draw 3 rectangles.
How can I suppose to think of more creative of all of these? I think I have an idea.
What is your idea? Tell me. I want to see.
Don't copy it. No copying.
Fine me. But can you just tell me?
I am going to make 1 million buildings.
What?
Of the shapes.
Wait.
Except for the other one.
Whoa. Squishy. Whoa. Squishy bag. Squishy pack. What is wrong with you?
What does squishy pan mean?
A pack that's squishy. I got the idea from a song.
I got very good ideas.
That I know about. Holy moly, squeaky bowly. How can I drink of soda?
That's not funny for me.
I remember the last time do not try to laugh challenge, but I didn't laugh, but I just smiled. That means I want to laugh.
Yeah, I remember when me and Ruth played Don't Laugh Challenge.
Yeah.
Yes, I completed the challenge.
Yeah, why?
Done.
Are you done?
Boy, stop!
We are playing the Don't Laugh Challenge right now.
Okay.
I'm already done now. I just made it.
How to play it is like this. We ask the person that asks silly questions. The player should not laugh. If they laugh, they lose. But if they don't laugh, they win. That's it. That's my combination.
Well, I'm gonna make the square, the orange square a pumpkin. I'm done.
You're done? Okay,
Yeah.
it's time for us now to present our work. I will give you example. Yeah, wait.
Not me, I'm still working.
Yeah, I'm going
Flat
to give you.
tree. Why the wood is flat?
Okay, I'm going to give you example how to present. All right, you have to speak clearly, be confident, and then sit down properly, nicely like this, and smile. Don't forget, and say it with confidence. For example, hi, my name is Al, and this is my artwork. Okay, from this one, from the rectangle, I turned it to a flashlight shape. From these 2 items, I create the hot air balloons, and this one is a watermelon. This is the school bus or double decker, and this will be the glass of a nice.
There's a cookie.
And then this is the moon, actually not the cookie, but it's okay. And this is the ketupat, yeah, for our lebaran later on. Something like that. Okay, Alitia, Kakak Alitia, are you ready?
Long phone. Make a long phone.
Okay, eyes on screen, everybody. Kakak Alitia will present.
Can we finish the video?
Don't laugh. This is the don't laugh.
Okay, I'm sorry, I have to mute you guys. Come on, Alitia. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and this is my collage art. So I made this triangle to a triangle flashlight, and I made.
Yeah.
I did not copy. I just like it. I just like it.
It's okay. It's
But with filters. I don't know.
Yeah.
So over here, this is a work office. A work office that it has like I forgot 1, 2, 3, five floors.
Okay.
And over here, it's a hotel like that, and behind is like something. And this circle one is a moon.
Moon, yeah, okay. Wow.
And this one is a watermelon.
Oh, we have the same
And
idea.
this
Yeah. Okay.
and this is the sun.
Sun, all right.
And this is a house, and this is a car. Thank you.
Good job, Alithia. Are you happy with the result now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can say that you are creative enough. Yeah, in only like I think like 20 minutes you can finish everything and the
I need
result
to
is
turn
good.
the laptop.
Thank you so much, Kaka Alithia. That's it for today. Now I want to go to Ivo. Ivo, are you ready?
Yep. I'm
Kaka Alithia, if you want to make another shape and then you want to
already.
show yourself, yes, you can.
I'm going to make another one.
Okay. How about you,
more
Ivo?
more ready than ever.
Ready, Ivo?
Yeah, I'm more ready than ever.
1, 2, go.
So this is my
Hey, say your name first.
name. Hi, my name is Ifan. This is my college art.
Mm-mm.
So we didn't have to paint, but my mom thought we were have to painting, but we have to paint for my Among Us. And last of all, we are going to do the Don't Laugh Challenge.
Okay.
And then anyways, this is a building which is a hotel. It's very gigantic.
Yeah.
And this is a circle house. I remember when I saw a circle house.
Mm-mm. Okay.
And this is a bed, a very, 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 very comfy bed. And this is another circle house, but it's a little bit big.
Mm-mm.
This is a pumpkin house.
Okay. Next.
And that is two colored pyramid house. And this is a strawberry square house.
Wow. Okay.
I made a lot of houses except for a bed.
Is it that? Is it? I mean, is that it? Are you done?
Yep.
All right. What I can say for you, Ivo, is you are creative. Yeah. But some of your ideas sometimes is stuck in one thing. But I can see that you're trying to make it a little bit more different by, yeah, the difference is on the size, and maybe they have another concept like you call it, what what for the house, that one you call it like pumpkin house, something like that. It's really original for me, and it's really authentic. You are very creative, Ivo. I give you 2 thumbs up for Evo and 10 stars. Thank you so much. In 20 minutes, you can solve your problem. That is cool. Now,
Wait, hold on. Can I say something?
Yes, yes.
Alitea's watermelon looks like your pizza.
Okay. Now go to Ruth. Come on, Ruth.
Hey. Wait, I need to get my paper. Hi, my name is Ruth and I made this. Well, I don't know what it's called, but I made a cookie. Well, I dropped 3 circles, but these are green, but just nothing. So,
Okay, one by one, please, Ruth. Which one do you want to explain?
well, actually, I made a mistake. I kind of made a mistake. I just brought this because I don't know. Well, but I brought this as a phone, and this as a chocolate.
Oh, that one is the phone, and the other one at the bottom is a chocolate.
Yes.
Wow, cool. And then what else?
I brought a glass, but an empty glass.
Oh, empty.
Draw a tree.
Tree, yeah. And then?
for the these circles, they're just nothing. They're only grapes.
Okay. Yeah, grapes. And then?
And I forgot to draw this one, so these ones are nothing. And this is supposed to be a a light. There are two lights, this one and this one. Or maybe this can be a light car.
Oh,
There
yeah.
might be. And this is a door, and this is a cookie. That's all.
Okay, Ivo, do you have any comment for Ruth? What do you think? Ruth is creative or not? Ivo, what do you think about Ruth's presentation? Is she creative?
He's very, 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 very creative.
Yeah. See that, Ruth? You know what, Ruth? I'm surprised when you say that this one is a phone and the other one is a chocolate. I think that is really, really original. I mean, you are so creative. You can turn some simple shape into something really not expected. I wasn't expected about the phone, and then I thought that one is a building.
Cool.
I thought that one is only a building, which is very standard. Yeah, but you turned it into a phone and then chocolate. That was really brilliant. I give you thumbs up. Ruth, you should be proud of yourself, Ruth. You are very creative.
That was cool. That was too cool.
Kalitia, do you have any comment for Ruth's presentation?
It's very good.
Very good, yeah. Okay, how about Ruth? Do you have any comment for Evo presentation a while ago? What do you think of Evo's drawing?
This is my phone. Huh?
I love your work.
That Evo, you get thumbs up from Ruth, yeah. Evo, you should be proud of yourself. And then Evo, I want you to give some comments to Alicia.
And also a clap.
Clap also.
I'm gonna write it in the chat.
Okay, Evo, what do you think about Alicia's presentation? Evo?
I'm yawning. Huh?
Evo, what do you think of Kaka Alicia's presentation?
What?
Oh, what do you think about Alicia's presentation just now, just a while ago?
I think I love it.
See that, Kaka Alicia? People like your work so much. Okay, everybody, good job. Okay, what I can say is today, guys, you are very
I'm making
creative. See that? Oh, cool. You make another one. Yeah, keep on practice with that. Okay, Alicia, that will help you to think more creatively.
Thank you.
Ruth, do you have any comment for Evo's or for Alicia's presentation, Ruth?
Still awesome. Still awesome.
Awesome. Yeah. Oh, whose desktop is this? Whose wallpaper is this? Okay. All right, then, everybody. That's it for today. See you again next week. Yeah. Don't give up. Keep on practice drawing something, and then please always challenge yourself to create something creative. Bye bye, Info. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Kak Sophia.